Hi, Period 3. Sorry I can't be here with you today. You do still have a lot of stuff that you need to get done today. Those things are 1, you need to have your binder organized. 2, you need to make sure that your work is up to date in our tracker because the progress report is closing on Wednesday. And 3, you need to get started on your literacy work, which will be due to me on Friday. I'm going to step you through what those things look like. So number 1, binders. If you navigate here to Google Classroom, you're going to see a document that says how your binders need to be organized. You can click on that and see a list of the order that the works should go in your binder. Use that to organize your binder. Then I also encourage you to look at page 9 of your syllabus. That is how I'm going to grade your binder. This is a rubric that I will use to grade your binder. So make sure that your binder is right here in the exemplary category to get 100% of the points for your binder. And remember, binders are worth 10% of your grade. When you finish your binder, you need to move on to looking at the tracker and make sure that you have all your work in for the end of the progress report. I'm going to show you how to find the tracker. Here on Google Classroom, if you click on classwork, come down to where it says tracker and open it up. You're going to see what you've turned in and what you're missing. Now, I want to point you specifically to literacy work. Oh, it's still loading. Okay, if we look at Selvin, for example, you can see that I made a little comment here for his literacy work. He got 8 out of 10 points because he completed all his lessons on Reading Plus, but he failed to fill out the reflection for his literacy work. If I were Selvin, I would use this time to make sure that reflection is complete. You can also see anything that you're missing. Oops, Angel didn't turn in work number 3. That should be into me. That should be waiting on my desk. Nelson, I see you didn't turn in your family signature. When I come back, that should be waiting for me on my desk. Okay. Next up, literacy work. Once you finish getting your work done in the tracker, then you need to be focusing on literacy work. So for this week, you only need to read 1 story on Reading Plus or do 20 minutes on Khan Academy. So I'm going to show you where you can find that. Here in Google Classroom, in classwork, you're going to scroll down to where it says literacy work for the week of 10-9 through 10-12. Open that up and you're going to see the reflection that you'll need to fill out at the end of the week. It'll say you only need to read 1 story because this is a short week, so you'll fill out that 1 story at the top. And then if you're on Khan Academy, you're going to see that it says you only, it's stuck. Oh, here we go. You only need to show 20 minutes of active work on Khan Academy, and you're going to tell me a little bit about those. Here, you can copy these sentence frames, use one, and you just need to write 1 to 2 sentences about what you learned on Khan Academy this week. And same here on Reading Plus. You can use these, copy and paste them up here, and use them to write 1 to 2 sentences about what you learned on Reading Plus this week. That will be due on Friday at 3 p.m. Good luck, seniors. I may be available by phone. If you have a question, you can text me on Remind while you're working. But you need to use this period as a work period, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, see you guys. Bye.